So guys, today we have a big bad news but also some good news, you can say cherry on top. Let's get the bad news out of the gate first. Also, before I tell you the bad news and make you cry your eyes out, can you please subscribe to the channel so that at least I can enjoy my sinister laugh
while you are all crying in pain.
So guys, the bad news is that there is not going to be a Samsung Galaxy Note 21 this year. Samsung Mobile's ex-CEO and now head of other important Samsung divisions have provided important insider information about the Galaxy Note 21 series and the overall future of much beloved smartphone lineup. The ex-CEO DJ Koh has said that
there will be no new Galaxy Note this year.
However, this still does not mean that Samsung has thrown the Galaxy Note under the bus just yet. In fact, it's quite the opposite. Samsung says that because of the extreme global shortage of semiconductors, it's a big burden for them to announce two flagship phones this year. So guys, it's not because that Samsung doesn't want to keep the Galaxy Note 21 alive, it's because they don't have enough processors to power the Galaxy Note 21 Ultra. And this makes sense because have you guys ever noticed the shortage of GPUs recently? Even big automaking giants are unable to get their hands on semiconductors for their cars. Just go out, try buying a RTX 30 series, 20 series or even the Radeon graphic cards and you will know how bad the situation really is. And it's not all just because of the crypto boom, but still the boom couldn't have happened at a worse time. So Samsung has now officially said that they are going to skip the new Note series because of the semiconductor shortage, and if the shortage continues, Samsung said that we could see other smartphones being delayed, cancelled or having paper launches with no availability, except for the iPhone because Apple is a giant and they always get what they need at all costs. Now the good news. Yes, there might not be a Galaxy Note this year, but Samsung said that they are looking forward to announce the Note again next year, maybe going directly to the Note 22. Also, according to DJ Koh,
the timing of the Note model launch could be changed, but we're sick to release a Note model next year.
So there will be a Note 22 Ultra sometime next year, but at a different time frame. Maybe Samsung swaps Note and S series by giving first half to Note and second half to S, which for sure will be interesting. Samsung also said that in past 2 years, the Galaxy Note accounted for 5% of their total global sales, but accounted for a much greater percentage of revenue as it's a premium product having greater profit margins. So they do intend to keep the Note alive, and that for sure is a good news for the Note fans. And now we can all just blame the semiconductor shortage for not getting the Note series this year. Hashtag give us the Note. Hashtag Note matters. It still remains, would the semiconductor shortage also affect the upcoming Z Flip or the Z Fold, but because they sell in very much smaller numbers, they will be affected but at a lesser scale. Let me know guys your thoughts about this in the comment section. I think it is a true enough justifiable reason to skip the Note series this year because Samsung doesn't control the global semiconductor shortage, and without the processors, how could they make the Note? I will keep covering every new Galaxy Note update, so to not miss out on that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you found this video useful, then guys hit that like button, follow me over on Twitter, and thanks a lot for watching.